Have you ever been through a home renovation and there's just dusty shoe marks everywhere? Hi, my name is Simon, and in today's episode of Dustbusters, we will show you how you can use shoe guards to keep your floors clean during a home renovation. You can buy shoe guards from any hardware store. We got ours from Leroy Merlin. Simply slip shoe covers on top of your shoes. The elastic band at the top of the shoe covers will hold it tightly around your shoes. When you walk out of your renovation area, remember to remove shoe covers so that your shoes do not carry dust into the rest of your home. So, would you consider using shoe guards for your next home renovation project? Let me know in the comments below. For more tips and tricks, click like and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and remember to visit dustguard.co.za for more information on how you can contain dust in your next renovation project. Thanks for watching and see you next time.